Hello everyone, today I'm back with another video trading the pre-London session. So I actually lost my voice yesterday, that's why I will try not to talk much and be short. So let's start with the top-down analysis. As we can see on the weekly time frame, this current week candle broke the previous candle, which means I believe we are kind of bullish. But because today, as you can see here, there is a CPI news today. So I think this what will move the market for today. There is a big expectation that the inflation is increased because of the tariffs. So I believe price can go down till the bottom side of this range right here. So I'm just going to draw this resistance line. So we have a support, we have a resistance. This range is about like 117 days. This is a really big range. So I believe when price break above or below this range, we will see a huge spike and big movement. So as we can see here on the daily time frame, price created support and broke below the support, and now it's heading down. Let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame. So we also can see like a little breakout here. Price closed, faked out, and I believe now it's heading back down. So we have our resistance right here on the 4-hour time frame. This is like too choppy to trade. But I believe we have a little bit of range right about here. So we have like 40 pip range to the downside with the clean traffic on the 15-minute time frame. And as you can see here that price is creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So it does not look like it wants to push to the upside. It looks like it wants to push to the downside. Here I can show you, like you can see, it like wants to push to the downside more. Look, now we can see a little volume spike. So we could enter this trade on the break of the low, but I'm waiting for the 15-minute candle to close. Can enter and anticipate this volume now to continue going to the bottom side. There's like around 40 pip range, and it is more than enough for us. So let's see on the terminal right here. So on the 15 time frame, you can see this candle has closed bearish. So I would like to see maybe a little top wick, and risk is not going to be big. I believe this is around 12 pips. So I just want to see like a little small top wick. That's all. And we can anticipate price to drive down. Also, as you can see here that the price did not break and close above this previous resistance on the 30-minute time frame. Here you can see. Mm. So now it is creating the top wick, and we can place our sell stop like right here. How, let's check how many pips, 20 pips. I think I need to reduce this a little bit. So we are currently waiting. To be honest, I'm not interested in buyers because Trend is bearish, and for buys it's a little risky. There is no enough range here. 38 pips. Okay. So yeah, it's a little risky. But maybe if we got a really good closure on the 15 or on the 30-minute time frame, we'd have to wait and see. Yeah, and this candle closed, looks like it created a resistance because it closed bearish, not bullish. And we can anticipate the fill of this wick right here for about 81 pips. So price can go down and maybe create a double, create another resistance here. So, but this is on the 4-hour time frame. It looked real choppy, to be honest with you guys. So I prefer waiting maybe for like 30 minutes to an hour. So it's clearly rejecting this area right here. And I believe there is volume because the spread is fluctuating. So how big is that stop loss? Like 20 pips. So maybe I will go with a 0.5% risk if I see like a good volume. Oh, but I think I will just wait a little bit more because look, this candle is like not moving. I believe this candle can go till the bottom of the range, grab some liquidity to go up. Okay, so let me reduce the risk a little bit. Okay, and we will enter on the break of this low right here, and stop loss will be above the range. Actually, I don't believe there is like a good volume. As you can see, price is like consolidating. So I prefer to wait for a better setup, better entry, or just wait till the volume kicks in. Then I will probably be looking for a trade. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I think this 15-minute candle is rejecting and it closed bearish also. So I will be looking for sales whenever it broke below this area right here. Ouch. I thought it broke. So let's hope now it broke, or I have to just manage my risk or close this position because this was a misclick. Stop loss should be about this 3 pips. That's around around 1%. So if it didn't break below, I think I have to manage my risk, maybe close half or just close the full position. I was intending to take the sells on the break of the lows, but I just misclicked and yeah, looks like there is some volume coming in. Look at that volume. So I'm looking to get maybe till this week rejection here. So as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, it's really clear that price created a resistance, and now this candle created a top wick, and I believe it's going to fill this wick right here for about 82 pips. Let's adjust this take profit a little bit here, because as you can see here, there was a rejection candle previously, and price tends to reject from the same places. If it rebroke the highs, I'm going to close half, because I think price should not pushing to the upside, it should be pushing to the downside. Okay, I closed half of my position here, and let's let the rest run and see. So I'm actually a little bit sick, guys, and I did not want to do the video today, but because I didn't record yesterday, so that's why I'm recording also today. So I will just skip the boring stuff, and the result, I will just show you the result of this trade when it's either it hit the stop loss or the take profit. Alright guys, so actually we are in profit now, and this 15-minute candle closed bearish, this also. So I will be trailing my stop loss below above the previous 15-minute candle, right above here. So we have to spread this like 2 pips. Okay. So now I'm waiting for the 1-hour candle to close, and preferably below this area right here. You can see here there is some volume. I will just move my stop loss till the bottom of the range, just in case. Yes. So now volume I think is just kicking in, and now we are waiting. I would like to see a closure below this area right here. If we get a closure below this area, I could add more position, maybe a little position, anticipating it to go to the bottom of the range. With the volume, with the trend direction, so as you can see, the trend direction is bearish. So yes, with the volume, with the trend direction, I believe it can go move ahead, like especially on the 1 hour. Look, we have almost clean area from this support right here, but only this candle rejection is a little issue. But with the volume, it can just break and keep moving down. after the closure of the 1 hour, if it closed below, I will leave my trade running. If it did not close below, I will secure something or maybe just close my full position. So for now, we are just waiting. And I will update you. Alright guys, so actually I got stopped out right here for like almost 10 pips. Nothing major, is just 0.5% as I was expecting, but the price moved around 27, 28 pips, but I didn't secure anything because I was anticipating it to move further down, at least till here. But yeah, it's fine, it's just 0.5%, and now it's pushing to the upside. So I don't think I will be taking more trades today because today is the CPI, and actually it looks like this candle closed above the resistance right here. I just saw that. This 1 hour candle. Yes, as you can see, price is moving like not in an organized way. And as I told you, it's really choppy today. So I prefer just to wait for a better opportunity, or just maybe after the CPI news. And that's pretty much it. If you guys like enjoyed the video, please give the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you all and have a good day.